About CNC turning machine. CNC turning machines, also known as CNC lathes, are advanced manufacturing tools used to create cylindrical parts through a machining process known as turning. Turning involves rotating a workpiece while a cutting tool removes material to shape it into the desired form. CNC, computer numerical control, technology is integrated into these machines to automate and precisely control the machining process, allowing for high accuracy and repeatability. Here are some key features and aspects of CNC turning machines. Components and setup. A CNC turning machine consists of a bed, headstock, tailstock, tool turret, and a spindle. The workpiece is mounted on the spindle, which rotates it, while the cutting tools are positioned on the tool turret and controlled by the CNC system. The setup involves loading the workpiece onto the spindle and configuring the tool positions and parameters in the CNC program. CNC control. CNC turning machines are controlled by computer programs that contain instructions for tool movements, spindle speeds, feed rates, and other machining parameters. These programs are typically generated using computer-aided design, CAD, or computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, software. The CNC control system interprets the program and directs the machine's movements accordingly. Precision and accuracy. CNC turning machines offer high levels of precision and accuracy. The CNC control allows for exact positioning of tools and precise control over cutting parameters, resulting in consistent and repeatable part production. Automation. One of the main advantages of CNC turning machines is their automation capabilities. Once the CNC program is set up, the machine can run unattended, reducing the need for constant manual intervention. This improves efficiency and productivity. Versatility. CNC turning machines can be used to create a wide range of cylindrical shapes, including complex contours, threads, and grooves. They are commonly used for producing components like shafts, pins, connectors, and more. Material compatibility. CNC turning machines can work with various materials, including metals, such as steel, aluminum, brass, plastics, and even some ceramics. The choice of cutting tools and machining parameters depends on the material being processed. Tooling. CNC turning machines can be equipped with multiple tool positions on the turret, allowing for quick tool changes and a variety of cutting operations without manual intervention. Programming and simulation. Programming a CNC turning machine involves writing or generating G-code instructions that guide the machine's movements. Modern CNC systems often include simulation features that allow operators to visualize the machining process before actually running the program, minimizing errors and collisions. Efficiency and productivity. CNC turning machines offer higher production rates compared to manual turning, as they can operate continuously with minimal downtime and setup changes. Maintenance. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure the CNC turning machine's proper functioning. This includes checking and calibrating components, lubrication, and monitoring the overall health of the machine. Overall, CNC turning machines are a crucial part of modern manufacturing processes, enabling precise and efficient production of cylindrical parts across various industries. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.